Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change indent bullet point in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change indent bullet point. Now, firstly, select from text. Now you can see at first tab add bullet point. Now go to the home menu option, then click for the bullet points option. Now select from bullet points. Now click for a center align. Now you can see change the highlight indent bullet point. Now select from a text. Now going to the again indent bullet points option, then click for a bullet and numbering option. Now you can see then size from the bullet point, then indent list by size. Now for OK, that is. Now you can see change indent bullet point in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for all.